Test, 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 test. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on web. I think my private webinar service is not working. I don't have time for this. Let me try one more time. Yeah, it can't be working. But you guys are working on YouTube. I know that much. Fucking guys serious? Testing, testing. Darlene, did you have trouble getting in? Good morning, by the way. And then she popped out. So I'm going to take that as a yes. I had trouble getting in. All right, let me end it. This is the private webinar thing that I'm trying to get going. It's got 0 delay. YouTube has like a 20-second delay. I mean, that's not horrible, but that could be catastrophic when it comes to trading stocks. Great, now I lost. Come on, man. I can't get the damn thing. There. BT. Test, 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 test. It's not even picking that up. Test, 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 test. Camera Pro. Test, 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 test. They're playing like the Russian national anthem when you test your speakers. Weirdest thing. All right, now should be good. That link should work. Going live in 5, 4, 3, 2. Way to annoy someone when you're in a rush. Great. Now I'm not going to be able to do. You're telling me no, no. I know the link's not working. Sorry, YouTube. Usually I go all at once, and they sometimes all work. Most of the time, anyway. All right, so we're up. Test, test, test. I'm going to share the link. And I'll share it out here too. So you can see for yourself if you're interested. What it's like to be without a delay. Just today. Just for today. That code won't work tomorrow. That's ridiculous, man. That's such BS. Everybody, well, of course everybody's watching the same stocks. So Darlene, you're in. That's it, Darlene? Me and you? Give a crap. I can't imagine that's correct though. It's impossible. Morning. Morning. It doesn't seem right, though. What's up, man? What's up, OJ Dooming? All right, today I'm interested in. We're gonna change this around today. Um, I'm interested in APOP. Made a massive move. It's staying above the VWAP. I really, really do like it. Part of me wants to get in on the pre-market. I really wanted to get in when it did this little dip here. But let's wait a minute and okay. So APOP I'm watching. Obviously, we're gonna be watching Tesla. Um, CMEG group is in Tesla, and we're also in Microsoft. So we'll be watching Microsoft. These two. APOP. Fast. No need to watch. Let's see what Tony Hedges is looking at. He really, really is into this MKSI, which did not come up on any of my like scanners at all, which maybe I just didn't see it. Had to be that I just didn't see it. Let's take a look at this scanner real quick. Uh, not screener, scanner. Am I going crazy? All right. This doesn't seem right. There we go. It still doesn't seem right. Okay. Let's get rid of the losers. Not interested in the losers, just gainers. And I thought APOP was up like much more than that. All right. PD Tesla. QEP is a penny stock. No volume. Tesla volume. The float on this APOP is very low. Um, PayPal may be something you might want to keep an eye on. It's got some volume there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw not Tesla, PayPal on there. It's also one of the more advanced stocks of the day. I'm gonna go ahead and look at let's see. Tony Hedges has got a lot of stuff. Okay. Let me click on this thing. Open it. We got about 6 minutes, 7 minutes till the open. He likes MKSI. Um, all right, let's put out these text alerts real quick. I want you here. MKSI, good entry. I think is like 105. Um, that's where. Let's see. Let's take a look. kind of high. I would say like 99. Let's see. MKSI. Southwest. Aren't they the one that fly the Boeing planes? But Boeing had good earnings too. Um, okay, price channel. There's really not one over here. Let's go back a little further. I agree. I kind of agree with you, Tim. Let's take a look at APOT real quick. Okay, APOP price is actually at, ooh, it's pulling back to that 377 level. I'm gonna go ahead and take a risk here. Maximize sell right before the open. This dropping. I really want in on this. Just 100. Oh man, buy. Of course, it's not gonna buy. Where's my regular thing? Trade extended 100 auto send limit buy. Oh, come on, I'm gonna miss it. Eh. 0. Oh, this is the margin. Okay, 100 extended. Bye. All right, I got in on that 78. I'm pretty happy about that. I think it's gonna pop from here. If it doesn't, it's just gonna dump. Um, if it dumps out the gate, I am looking obviously at this view app level, this 350 level. Let's see. I just want skin in the game on that in case it takes off like crazy. And let me see. Two and a half minutes till the opening bell. Not enough time to do all the research I want to do. Stop loss. Stop loss is really below 3, but you can go 349 if you want. Target, you're going to go 465. Partial. 420 to 465 partial. Everybody's watching this. Everybody's looking to scalp this morning. Tesla's a good buy if it drops down to 307. I mean, not 307. 275. Okay. What else do we got that I can add to the chart? All right, PayPal we got. PayPal is starting to pop right at the opening. Ugh. Tesla's gonna likely dump. but it would go down to 275 and reverse, and you could add more. All right, we got the market opening. TSCO we want to watch. TSCO. We want to watch LRCX. LRCX. Okay. All right. Not sure what APOP is doing. Okay, Tesla's popping up. Very good, very good. This APOP is dumping. All right, I'm not going to worry about it right now. Okay, Tesla's really popping. Microsoft really just popped and pulled back. SPY just hit 301. We're getting closer and closer to those highs. Tesla's taking off like crazy. Oh man, Microsoft, what are you doing? Where's APOP? APOP is popping back up. Sorry, let me bring things down. Sorry. I pulled it off the screen. Okay, charts here. Let's go here. Is where we own APOP. Dang, that would have been a great purchase right at the support. 350. I'm watching too much at once though. PayPal did take off. Okay, Tesla is popping. Microsoft is popping. APOP is it's gonna break 4. Microsoft is gonna slowly float up all day. Tesla is gonna be a wild horse. APOP's popping back down, popping back up. Patience, young sapling. Hold on, I have to shut these off for a second. Okay. All right. Mm, there goes APOP. Tesla. I'm not liking that move. Microsoft is popping. I'm gonna kind of show you more what I'm watching than this screen. It'll give you a better. So I'm watching Microsoft. We're watching APOP, and we're watching Tesla. Tesla. Everybody was selling at the highs there. Now is everybody gonna sell here? Well, who's gonna buy? Microsoft, just leave it alone. Don't even really have to do anything. Roku, 128. Kind of expect it to be there. Okay, A-pop is very all over the place, but it is trending up. All right. Come on, baby boys. Hit a new high on Microsoft. If Microsoft can break 140, that would be very nice. Wait, 864 in the hands. 35, 296, 900. Don't get shaken out. Don't get shaken out. Let's see what happens here. Broke 300, right? We already broke 300, so this is just normal ebbs and flows. Microsoft looks beautiful. Roku made a nice pop there. To what number? I'm not buying Roku till it goes over 132. Here's about to break 140, possibly Microsoft. I'm comfortable in this position right now. Um, what was that one? MKSI. Okay, we broke 140 on Microsoft. That's great. We should have bought more Microsoft. I think Tesla is getting ready to reverse. Let's take a look at Tesla on the price channel chart, TSLA. You son of a bitch. Anytime you put it in wrong, it makes you put in the whole algorithm again. Yeah, see, Tesla's kind of floating up there. Could go down to two. Could go down, man. It could go down a lot. Let's add a little time value on it. It hasn't been this high in a minute. Could go down to 278. Yep. It's very possible that that happens. Very possible. I know there's no pivots nowhere around here. It's TSLA. We're probably, yeah. And the next pivot is at around 270. Um, we hit 140.09, had a fake out, and came right back down. I think we're gonna continue to rally there, though. I think today, I think right now, I don't know. It's a, concerned about 295. I remember from playing with Tesla in the past, 295 is a historical resistance. It's really coming down there. Well, since we kind of know, let me go ahead and I'm gonna go protect my capital and gonna go over here. Oh, we have no day trades left over here. Are you freaking kidding me? Okay. Well, that said, I can't sell on the other side. Um, but I do want protection, or at least to make some money. Uh, let me see. The delta here on Tesla is, should have done this a little sooner, but I don't like buying options, especially on such a volatile stock before 9:45. To delta's 50, delta's 40. Okay, delta's 40. Delta is 40. And now she's popping up, but that could be an opportunity to uh, get these cheap. So what I'm gonna do is, if my delta's 40, how could it only be 40 if I'm in the money? I'm not in the money anymore. I'm gonna buy some puts. Microsoft. Um, let's get a put at with a nice delta with a now you're going up, huh? Oh, and I'm not on Tesla either. Almost good thing I noticed the prices were off. Got a little pop up. Don't know if that's gonna last. A pop is done. Should have sold it up around here. Microsoft is pulling back. All right, did it bounce off that 50 level? Bounced off a 40 level, broke 50. Now would be a good buy because it's going to come right back up this side of this candle, all the way to the top. Well, you know what? We're doing pretty good one-legged here. So gonna hang on a second on the puts. Mm. Mm. Are you gonna keep going up? I don't know. Let me get some protection here, man. I'm always on the wrong account. Oh no, you son of a bitch. Price difference is ridiculous now. 45. Come on, come on. There we go. Give me that 35. All right. I got a little put protection. I'm gonna sell that put protection the second we go above. Um, Ooh, look at him. Antonio Nasta. He was right as rain on that one. MKSI was his favorite. I don't know if I put that out or not on the text alerts. I was just supposed to. I forgot. Well, and then it says, here you go, Tesla's popping up here. And that's only, are we going to break into 300? See, I always make more if it goes up. I want to hear, let me show this. Oh, this A-pop thing has got to go. It's actually losing me money now. Sell A-pop. All right, but where are we? Where are we? Okay. All right. So as long as Tesla goes up, so there's a Tesla put here whose delta is 27. My Tesla calls are 47. So I'm making $20 more every time it goes up. And it appears we broke 300 now. I could hold the protection. Because this will devalue more. See, now this is went into 26, now went into 28. But I would like to have some protection at this point, just because Tesla is such a wild horse. Even if it costs me a little at my end game, I'm guaranteed a certain amount. I'm guaranteed at least $1,000 or 900 or something like that. But if it goes up, I'll make more. Not as much as I would have without the put. And see, now when it goes down, I'm making money. So I'm kind of covered. And with Tesla, that's got me comfortable because that thing is a wild horse. And that's one of the ones both my mentors used to trade. Both, sorry, my cameras are not on. Both Marvin and Antonio, who's still my mentor and cousin, but hedge fund manager and all the other things that he is. But all right, hold on. All right, so Microsoft is gonna just you could just let Microsoft go. I won't even put protection on Microsoft. Um, this A pop was a waste of $45. All right, I like where we're at right now. We're in a good position. We are in a position where we are going to continue to make money throughout the day. Good call, man. I should have texted it out. He said to buy it at 105. It opened at 104 and it went to 110. That would have been a 5-point move. Ah, I was too distracted with other stuff. Okay. Seems like we're at some sort of former resistance support point that I put in on Roku. Maximize sell here. Roku, I remember this one. I'm taking a call on Roku right now while they're cheap. Let me get them. Let me get them. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Not one day. Get out of here with that one day crap. Up, did it break back below it? Never mind. Why is it free falling? What are we down? What percentage? 1%. Yeah, this could go much further. See, on these little pullbacks here, I'm protected. If I wanted to, I could sell that Tesla put still for a loss right now, but it would technically be a gain in the grand scheme of things. If this wants to have another pullback, okay. So Tesla's popping down. It broke a support point. Come on, I'm taking a super duper risk here, and I went long on Roku right here, right around this support. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna get right out. All right, it's above the price level. That's where I want you to be. I went in right here on this candle. Yeah, it should have took off. It should once it broke that level. I mean, it's not a definite. Yeah, it should have took right off there. But I'm taking into account time, volume. We know that between 9:30 and 10:10, there should be some form of reversal. Okay, I mean between 9:45 and 10:10, there should be some form of reversal. So if we got a downtrend, downtrend, and now we're staggering towards a support resistance line, it wouldn't be that unbelievable with the amount of volume coming into this stock to see a reversal. Now, the smart thing to do is always wait, and that's what Jesse Livermore writes in his book. Always wait for the confirmation. Lose those few cents, whatever it is. Um, but I didn't do that. Well, I thought I did. I thought I was waiting. I thought I had a confirmation. Market's coming down hard, huh? I'm not even on the market. I had no idea this was going on. Jeez. I'm thinking the market's up right now. But don't forget, between 9:30 and 10, I mean between 9:45 and 10:10, usually the market has a reversal. If this is absolutely going to have a reversal. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Do you think that this is going to keep going down like this, straight down? No, we're like 7/10 from the high when we opened. Stocks today are soaring. No way. No way. there we go. See how we're testing this support level? I'm still confident in my decision on Roku. I like the time, I like the volume, and I like the overall direction of the, PayPal, Microsoft, Tesla, big names went up today. It's not making sense to me. We'll see. I got a new coffee machine. It's one of the ones where you could set the timer in. It's the best, but it automatically turns off after an hour. Sometimes I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. So I set it at 6 a.m. I don't get up till 6, 7:30. See, regardless of what Tesla does, I know I'm covered. This little drop here, I'm covered. I'm not covered on Roku, but I'm giving it time. I'm giving it until about 10:10. And I think we should see a reversal. It seems to be the general direction of all stocks on the market. Just seems to be kind of down, except for MKSI, which I was supposed to text out. It don't matter. Nobody's watching now anyway. Oh, Neo's dumping. Neo's only popping because Tesla's popping. Apple's dumping. Hey, stocks are dumping today. Stocks are dumping. The ones that had good earnings, I mean, they're holding up, but stocks are dumping. We get too close to the highs, people start selling. Come on, Roku. Come on, market. What about some UVXY puts right now at 29.99? It dipped in. It should have rocketed down once it broke 300. It's floating. This is called floating. You got to remember, this is a ETF. We should really be looking at the SPX right now. But now it's popping. So we have an engulfing candle followed by what? What it's followed by is always the most important part. So you got an engulfing candle followed by Roku's popping up. We got a reversal. We got a reversal happening, folks. All right, so this candle is, it's very important that this candle is green. We had that strong engulfing. If that one can't stay green, we in trouble. It opened really high too. It opened at 3. So it has to break 3 here on this candle. At this minute, it has to break 3. It could be flat too though. If it's a doji, that's all right as well. But I want to see it break. We got Roku coming around. Here's what we do. These stocks, these UVXY calls, these puts. What's UVXY looking like? Ooh, look at this one. Just keeps going. Tesco. That one failed. But you know what? This one might not have failed. This one we might be waiting for it to hit a certain point and pivot. This one, that's exactly what's going on. I bet you if I ask Antonio right now, I said, what's the pivot on Tesco? He'll say probably 95. Let me see. Let me see. This is up on earnings. That should be up. I have so many good bids, but sometimes I just don't put them out on the thing. 'Cause people don't play them. Fuck 'em. Fuck 'em. UWT looks good right now. Yeah, market's reversing right now. Roku's gonna start popping. Hopefully, this boost in the market will help, you know, these guys, Tesla, Microsoft. See, and now also what has happened, there goes the reversal on Roku. I'm in ahead of the game. 95, like I said. This is the entry on Tesco. This is where you want to get in. Let's give it a shot. TSCO, Tesco. TSCO. Hold on, more info. All right, TSCO, 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 Tesco. There goes Roku. Woo woo! And there goes Tesco. All right, let's get in on that one. Nope, not one day. I'll go 8 days. And I will buy 2 of your little calls. I'll buy 1. Oh, it didn't fill. It didn't fill. That means Tesco's popping. Oh my God! It popped like $20. Come on, come on! Oh, come on! Ah! I missed all that. I wasn't paying attention to that. But 95 popped 50 cents on me. Should I text it out? No one's gonna. It's missed. Forget it. Cocksuckers don't appreciate it anyway. The amount of time I take out of my trading day, the amount of money I lose. Damn, Roku! You weren't supposed to do that. Ooh, Microsoft did the same thing. And so did Tesla. And so did the market. But Tesco's holding up. Ooh, yeah. That's not good. I'm up on Tesco and my Tesla puts. I don't know. It's not good to be up on your Tesla puts. I know that much. Because remember, my delta is higher on my calls. So I'd be much happier if this would continue to go up. I'm not touching Roku. Roku, that doesn't scare me out. Look at that. Look at that Tesco. Tesco's moving. Tesco up around $22. I'm a little worried about these Tesla puts. They're starting to go positive. I don't want to be rooting on Tesla to go down. UWT is taking off too. That'll be a good entry. That'll go up all day today. UWT all day. if you want to sit here all day. All right, so this is going to pop back up. Level it has to pop back over. Let me create an alert so I don't have to keep my eye on it. If it pops over that, we're safe. If it doesn't, I'm going to consider an exit. All right, we're at the view out. Very important level for Tesco. What I like to do on all my options, this can move to, it was 98.85 high. Doesn't seem to have the volume. I can't really tell. Hold on. Is that 100,000 or 10,000 or that's like 20,000. Okay, so it doesn't really seem to have the volume to really blast off. I think um, couldn't break the view app. Come on, man. Where's the momentum on this thing? Let's throw this in the big chart. This is what I call my main chart. Uh, this is actually a good buy again. A-pop right here. Probably will go above 4 later on. If you just hold it, like I got scared and I sold it, but I have other things in mind than this. Okay, TSCO. I keep getting them taco in my mind for some reason when I think of that. Taco, Tasco, it's like a taco mart. Tractor Supply Company. Yeah, well, Southern Texas tacos, Tex-Mex. Sorry, I just totally was thinking about something that happened like 2 weeks ago. Because we were just talking about Texas. Uh, all right. So it looks like it's going. Looks like it's doing good. Level twos. Level twos. Got 98 on the board on the level twos. And let's see, where's my momentum at? Momentum positivo. It looks good. It's a good call. Good call. Good call all around. Nobody has a hedge firm they can confirm their calls with. Only moi. Okay, so Roku looks like it's not going to be able to keep going. All right, so back to what I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted. All right, that's what I like to see. Tesla negative. Um, yeah, I'll put like a really ridiculous order on here. So it's 260. Wow. I could sell it for 295 right now. What's the mark? Tesla's getting some good PR right now. Um, that's why we're seeing that. Looks like the mark is 297. So that's a nice price, actually. I would sell it at that. But now that we broke into the 300s, I can go like 330. That seems fair enough to me. 330. And you just kind of leave it there. It's kind of heavy, right? But in order to make that would make me like $80 off of it. Roku's moving. Only thing I lost money on was A-pop, but I was not willing to hold A-pop. It's also the only one I text alert. I text alerted out was A-pop. I had such better ones. Okay, so Roku broke over that previous high. So Roku's in an uptrend now. Maybe I should sell. We got the TTM turning green. You got. I don't really want to wait a whole nother thing. See what I can get for it. 45. Roku's moving. I put a ridiculous price on this one too. So the mark was 590. Put like 600. That'll probably fill too, like fast. All right, and then so now I have a $600 order on Roku. What's going on with A-pop? I might just take the 35. All right, popped on the view app, and now it's bouncing back up. Good, good. It needs to break 97. Otherwise, I have no faith in it. A-pop is popping. Tesla's popping down, but that's okay. Oh, now she's popping up. It's actually in a little bit of a descending triangle formation. Microsoft is all over the place, but I told you, you just leave Microsoft. Leave it alone. By the end of the day, you'll make money on it. A-pop just rallied. You can see right here the price. It just went from like 330 to 360 in 2 seconds. I don't know what's going on because we were just up like 70 with Tesla negative. So it's not Tesco. Roku popped down a little bit. That's all right. Roku's fine. It's actually got a nice trend going. It's starting a nice trend. A-pop was a stupid play. Anytime I play these stupid plays, I'm always like, why did I play these stupid plays? Well, because sometimes they pay off. Sometimes it'll break the 4 right off the bat, and then you'll add more, and then it'll break the 425 level that you were watching, and then you add more, and then it's like, okay, now it's at 450. Then you start scaling out, scaling out. Sometimes these turn out to be huge money makers, and then sometimes they're little bullshits like this one. You know, you have to be in it to win it. Yeah, it's a corny saying, but it's the truth. If you're not in it, you won't in it. It's just like these little these plays, these you know, um, Tesla plays and these Microsoft plays and whatever Netflix and McCormick and stocks that potentially have massive moves on you know ER plays. You got to be in them, but go in very light. Do you know how much I paid for this option, this Tesla option? Which at its peak was up like 1,400, uh, $138. So you just throw in a little bit, and it pays off if you go in a little bit. But so what happens all too often is people say, "Oh, Tesla's gonna kill it. Tesla's gonna die today. Tesla's gonna dump. I'm gonna go heavy," and they go heavy, in the money or at the money, and they pay hundreds or thousands of dollars in that position, and then when it goes against them, they're screwed. Be right back. All right. I heard something go bling. Something sold. What was it though? Roku. Wow. Was it Roku? All I did was put $100 bid on it. One working order. Yeah, it had to be Roku. Filled orders. Roku at 6. Ooh, I didn't realize I only bought it at 540. Huh. Would have held it a little longer. It's not bad. I made $60 while I was taking a pee. Some people go to work all day for $60. They really do. You'd be surprised. This is New York. So a lot of, immigrants come here and they get screwed. They work all day, open and close, do everything that nobody wants to do, clean the toilets, mop the floors, take out the garbage, for $60 a day. I've seen it. Trust me. All right. Tesco is looking like it's getting ready to pop. Yeah. Tesla looks like it's reversing a little bit. Roku. mm, I wish I was. I'm not gonna get back in, but actually looks like it's coming back to the downside. Yeah. What do they call that when a hammer's upside down? I see one of those candles. Microsoft just keeps going. MS. Microsoft just keeps going to 400. I mean 140. And then coming back down. And I keep not selling, although we got the head and shoulder thing kind of going on now. This might be a strong break. Let's go over to the other accounts. I bought 29 days out. How am I only up 14 on the day? I'm only up like 14 on the day here, too. Made no change. But that's part of the benefits of. Look at my theta's $4. My theta here is $26. Come on, dude. This one, I'm telling you, Microsoft, you just let it run all day. Don't worry about it. Tesla's the one you gotta watch out for. Okay, what's going up? Oh, Tesla's puts are going up. So what you want to try to do is basically, we know Tesla's not going down today, but it's going to have its pullbacks. You want to basically find out where the bottom of this pullback is going to be. Sell your puts there, let Tesla go back up, and then buy more puts as protection. How do you do that? Well, one way you could do it is, we already looked at the price channels and the pivots on Tesla, and we could see that it could potentially go down to 272 or 275, 278 rather. So if it breaks 278, we know the deal there. That it's likely going to pop back up. But let's say I wanted more information than that. Come on, Tesco. So let's go look at TSLA. It's probably going to be so far above. Yeah, it's too extended on all these charts to even find out like what you want to find out. This one might help us. It's just, yeah, too far above anything. You got to wait till it gets back into the price channel range or like the pivot range or any of that. Apple's having a reversal here. I would buy Apple here. I think Apple would go up and continue to go up. Um, Come on, Tesco. Other things we could use to read, not Tesco. Although Tesco is about to break. Come on, Tesco. Bollinger Bands. And you actually have a buy signal here. Buy crossover candle. Arrow. Telling you to buy here. Alright, Tesla. Ra, ra, ra. It's a big drop. And we're slightly covered. When we hit new lows. Yeah, this you got a buy arrow right here. So it's saying, hey, this is a good time to buy. We got to wait till all these indicators are exhausted. All right. So it looks like the MACD is getting towards the bottom, the two lines there. Where's my RSI? My RSI is a little bit to the oversold side. I think maybe we hit 290 and pop. But also keep an eye on the TTM. It's the actual trend. The trend is going down. Oh, Tesco filled at 330. That was just like a really high bid. So how much did we lose on Tesla though? It's all right. It's like we lost 200 on Tesla, but covered it here. All right. I think. Woo! No, Tesla's going down hard. Let's hang on a minute. Let's hang on a minute. Let's wait till we hit 289. This is going to be a normal range for quite some while. Mark my words. Between 289 and 287 and 2 and like 300. Like this is just going to be like the normal range. See, the broader energy sector is falling, and what did I say? Getting UWT right around here. Sorry, I have not been looking at the comments because my screens are all over the place. Let's organize. Let's put this up here. All right. I'm gonna keep you there. I don't need you really. Yeah, I gotta reinvent. Um, because after all the jargon, nobody wants to. All right, I think this is total BS. This is gonna blow right by 290. Yeah, and this is up 190 because of it. But I think this is gonna blow. Let's see. If not, I'm selling that put at 190, and it's got a reverse. It has a buy, crossover buy signal here. I mean, everything is at its bottom. What are we at here? Negative 267. It's coming down hard right now. Well, all right, we're at 290. Important point here. Oh, looks like it is reversing at 290. No, still going down. Ugh, look at that. How much it changed. Oh, now it's rallying. I just fucking missed it. $30 loss there. Come on. Oh my God almighty. Come on. You know what? Forget it. I just won't sell it. It means it's not meant to be sold. Total bullshit, man. That's it. Now I'm really angry because I could have got this at 130. I could have sold this at 165. And now I am one-legged on Tesla. Mm. It might I might have to buy another puts. Just this protection. Just for the comfort that it gives me, you know? Because that is downtrending hard. Woo! Look at Roku go. How's Roku look all day though? Upside down cup head and shoulders here. Roku looks good. Yeah, it's gonna take off today. Well, here's how I'm gonna handle that. Oh no, I did not. Okay, I know how to fix this.